Here's some unpopular laws. Blasphemy laws. Various countries. Laws that criminalize insults or offenses against religion are still enforced in countries like Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Iran, leading to significant human rights debates. Internet censorship laws. China. The Great Firewall of China heavily restricts access to foreign websites and information, leading to criticism about freedom of speech and access to information. Alcohol ban in public spaces. USA, UK, Australia. Many cities ban the consumption of alcohol in public spaces, leading to backlash from people who feel it limits personal freedom. Anti-homosexuality laws. Uganda, Nigeria, Russia. Laws criminalizing homosexuality or same-sex relationships are still enforced in several countries, sparking global outcry and calls for reform. Mandatory military service. South Korea, Israel, Switzerland. Compulsory military service, especially for men, remains controversial in countries where citizens are required to serve regardless of personal beliefs. Anti-drug laws. Singapore, Philippines. Singapore enforces the death penalty for drug trafficking in the Philippines' war on drugs has been widely condemned for extrajudicial killings. Burqa and hijab bans. France, Belgium, Denmark. Several European countries have banned the wearing of face-covering veils in public, leading to accusations of Islamophobia and restriction of religious freedom. No chewing gum. Singapore. Singapore's ban on the sale and import of chewing gum was instituted to prevent littering, but many find the law overly strict. Strict gun control laws. Japan, UK, Australia. Countries like Japan and the UK have strict gun control laws, which some argue limit personal defense despite lower gun-related crime rates. Prohibition of divorce. Philippines, Vatican City. The Philippines and Vatican City are the only places where divorce is completely illegal despite growing calls for reform in the Philippines. Ban on adultery. Saudi Arabia, India until 2018. In some countries, adultery is considered a criminal offense, leading to imprisonment or harsh penalties, including the death penalty in Saudi Arabia. Zero tolerance for speeding. Sweden, Norway. Some Scandinavian countries enforce heavy fines for even minor speeding violations, leading to frustration among drivers. Death penalty for apostasy. Saudi Arabia, Iran. Leaving or renouncing a state-recognized religion is punishable by death in some countries, which raises significant human rights concerns. Vagrancy laws. USA, UK. Laws that criminalize homelessness or loitering are seen as unfairly targeting vulnerable populations rather than addressing the root causes of homelessness.